Hi, Wes Scott from Kane and Scott. Today we're going to talk about a St. Paul lawyer who says that you should err on the side of filing bankruptcy. You heard me right. You say, what? Don't most people say you should try to avoid bankruptcy? Bullpucky. I think the gurus out there who are selling their programs to, and I think preying on people who are suffering from overwhelming debt and want to avoid the B word. Look, we're all the same. We all want to pay our bills. That's sort of a duh. The problem is what happens when you can't afford to pay your bills and protect your family. And I'm telling you, you err on the side of filing bankruptcy. Look, if you say, look, I cannot pay this debt consolidation payment without my family suffering for years on end and without my credit going into the toilet now, if it hasn't already gone into the toilet, or in the future. I mean, most people whose credit is great say, look, I see the freight train coming. So it seems to me your choice is, look, if you can't make that overwhelming debt consolidation payment without your family suffering deeply, then your only other alternative is to do nothing. Well, if you do nothing, your wages are going to get garnished and your accounts are going to get frozen, and you certainly won't be able to protect your family. I am telling you, when your credit already stinks or is going to stink, and when you are suffering with overwhelming debt, you must protect your family. And I think you err on the side of filing bankruptcy because when you file, you eliminate the problem for good and you can move beyond it. The nightmare is over and you are protecting your family. Some of these gurus have filed bankruptcy themselves. So why isn't it good enough for you? Well, because if they're not scaring you, they wouldn't be able to sell their programs to you. When the time is right, when you are ready, reach out to Kane and Scott, Minnesota's oldest bankruptcy law firm since 1972. Have a good day.